Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So let's get start this video. In today's video, I will talk about one problem. We know that problem is words don't come in my mind while speaking, and this is the problem of every learners they have to face these problems. I have also faced. So how you can get rid of this problem, how word will start coming in your mind while speaking. So I will share with you one trick. uh, that trick will work 100%. And word, not only words, sentences, it will come in your mind while speaking. So be with me till end. Friend, what you have to do, you don't have to work on vocabulary, especially you don't have to work. The word you get by reading, by listening, by talking, you have to work on those vocabulary. You don't have to work on vocabulary, especially by reading, by listening, by talking. You got any vocabulary, so you have to work on that. What you have to do, you have to write those vocabulary, those words, and you have to google it. Okay, after that you don't have to create sentences, you have to create a story. By using those vocabulary, you have to create one story. And not only you can use words, but also you can use structured sentences which you have learned. जो आप स्ट्रक्चर सीखते हैं, सेंटेंसेस सीखते हैं, तो वो भी आप उस स्टोरी में यूज कर सकते हैं उस वोकेबलरी के साथ साथ. एंड दैट स्ट्रक्चर एंड sentences could be passive, gerund, participles, anything. So you have to write, and you have to create one story, fake story, and that story should be your own story. वो story आपका खुद का होना चाहिए. Okay, and there you have to use those words which you have learned by listening, by talking, by reading. जो आप सुनकर, पढ़कर, रीडिंग करके, बात करके सीखा है, वो वर्ड आपको यूज करना है उस स्टोरी में. आपको सिचुएशन क्रिएट करना है उस वर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग, सॉरी, उस वर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग आपको सिचुएशन क्रिएट करना है, सो दैट यू कैन यूज इन दैट, you can use that word in that story. Okay, and once you create a story, after that what you have to do, you have to firstly you have to write that story in pages in your copy, and after that you have to narrate that story. Initially you will fumble, you will get stuck while narrating that story. जब आप स्टोरी एक तैयार कर लेंगे, उसको लिख लेंगे, तब आप जो नरेट करेंगे तो आप फंबल करेंगे, गेट स्टक हो जाएंगे, अच्छे से नहीं नरेट कर पाएंगे. बट यू हैव टू नरेट दैट स्टोरी, यू हैव टू नरेट दैट स्टोरी अंटिल यू वॉन्ट नरेट विदाउट फम्बलिंग, विदाउट गेटिंग स्टक. तब तक आपको उस पर प्रैक्टिस करना है जब तक आप उसे बिना रुकावट के, बिना फंबल किए उसे नरेट नहीं कर लेते, तब तक आपको करना है. ओके, if you do such way, practice again and again, so what will happen, the word you have used there, the sentences you have used in that story, you will repeat again and again. um, so that those words, those sentences will fit in your mind. And then when you will speak with anybody, so then that word will come out of your mouth automatically. And here not only you can remember word and sentences structure, uh, here your fluency will increase, because you are trying to narrate that story in fluent way, without making making mistake, without getting stuck, without fumbling. You are trying to narrate. So in this way your fluency will also increase, एंड यू विल गेट फ्लुएंसी, आपका फ्लुएंसी भी बढ़ेगा इस तरह से प्रैक्टिस करने पर। एंड वन मोर थिंग, for creating the situation you will press your mind, you will create the situation, and mind is like a rubber, the more you press the more it will expand। माइंड जो है एक रबर की तरह है, जितना आप इसको प्रेस करिएगा, सिचुएशन दीजिएगा, ये उतना ही बढ़ता जाएगा। तो आप जो है माइंड को प्रेस करिएगा टू क्रिएट सिचुएशन, सो योर माइंड विल बिकम क्रिएटिव, and you will learn how to make a story as well, how to create story situation। So see one trick and you will get five, 4 or 5 benefit। First, what sentences will come in your mind while speaking, you will be able to remember। Secondly, you will learn how to create a story and situation। Thirdly, your mind will become creative, here you are giving you praise on your mind to create something, so your mind will become creative। Fourthly, you will practice again and again that story, so your fluency will increase, आपका fluency बढ़ेगा। So see one trick and you are getting 4 or 5 benefit। And this is the best way to learn vocabulary structures and for fluency as well। I use it, that is why I'm telling, and this is the best way to remember to vocabulary। If you try to mug up vocabulary या sentences any so you can remember for 1 day 2 day, after that you will forget। But if you try to create a story and that story is your own story, you are not going to forget। If you suppose you forget that vocab, so something you will remember in your mind related to that story, and that story will help you to reach that vocabulary। आपको वो स्टोरी आपको मदद करेगा, अच्छा आपने ऐसे क्रिएट किया था, उसके बाद क्या हुआ था, ये हुआ था, ऐसे हुआ था, उसके बाद आपको याद आएगा अच्छा वहाँ पे मैंने ये वर्ड यूज किया था। सो सी in this way you can't forget that word, that's structures, if you are using in a story। So storytelling is the best way to learn vocabulary, to remind vocabulary, remind structures for getting fluency, this is the best way। And the word you get by listening, talking, reading, you have to create one story, fake story, and don't worry, you don't need to create a story, a very good story, you don't need to create very nice story, you don't have to narrate in front of anyone, you have to narrate in front of yourself, so that you can remember those vocabulary, those structures, when you will speak with anybody, that word will come out of your mouth, because you will create a story, practice you will practice more and more till then, until you won't narrate that story fluently without fumbling। So in this way you will be able to remind the vocabulary structure, and if you use this one trick, you will get 4 or 5 benefit। Yes, you will feel that it is difficult, so everything seems difficult before doing anything, but once you will start doing it, it becomes easy। And tell me, if you want to achieve great success, so you have to give great effort, great hard work you have to do, then you can achieve, because जो आपका ना रिजल्ट आपकी मेहनत के अकॉर्डिंग रहता है। ओके, आप जैसा मेहनत करेंगे वैसा आप रिजल्ट पाएंगे। So if you want to achieve great success, you have to give great effort, great hard work. And don't think about difficulty. Everything seems difficulty before doing. Once you will start, it becomes easy. So I hope, not I hope, it is really going to help you if you use this technique. Really, it is going to help you because I have used it. This is my experience. And if you do this one, really you will get rid of your problem, and this is the best trick for this problem. So use this technique, avail of yourself of this technique, and get rid of that problem. Words don't come in my mind while speaking. So I hope you like my video. If you like, then like, subscribe and share. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.